In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailerlite for email marketing. We'll begin by logging into Mailerlite and opening the main dashboard. This is where you'll manage your audience, campaigns, automations, and reports. So it's a good place to get familiar with the layout before you start sending anything. Next, set up your account properly. Complete your account information and make sure you verify or authenticate your sending domain before launching campaigns. This step is important because it helps improve deliverability and builds trust with inbox providers, which can make a big difference in whether your emails actually reach your subscribers. Once your account is ready, go to the subscribers section and add your contacts. You can enter subscribers manually or import an existing list. As you do this, make sure your list follows the consent requirements that apply to your email marketing. In other words, you want to be sure the people on your list have actually agreed to hear from you. After that, organize your audience by creating subscriber groups. Head to subscribers, then groups, and create categories based on interests, sign-up source, or customer status. For example, you might separate new leads, newsletter readers, and customers. Keeping your list organized makes it much easier to send relevant emails to the right people. Now you're ready to create your first campaign. Go to Campaigns and click Create Campaign. Choose the type of campaign you want, such as a regular newsletter. This is best for one-time emails or messages you want to schedule for a later date. Then fill in your campaign details. Add a subject line, choose your sender name and sender email, and select the subscriber group or groups that should receive the message. Take your time here, because these details affect both open rates and clarity for your audience. Next comes the design stage. Choose an editor, and if you use the drag and drop editor, you can build your email visually with text, images, buttons, sections, and other content blocks. Add your message, include any links or visuals you need, and make sure your call to action is clear and easy to spot. Before sending, preview and test the email carefully. Check how it looks on different screen sizes, review your links and images, and proofread the subject line, spelling, and sender information. It's also a smart idea to send yourself a test email so you can see exactly what subscribers will receive. When everything looks good, either send the campaign right away or schedule it for later. Mailerlite also offers options like A/B testing and auto resend, which can help improve performance over time. You can also set up automations by going to automations and creating a new workflow. Choose a trigger, like when someone joins a group or completes a form, then add actions such as sending an email or adding a delay. Once the workflow is ready, activate it. Finally, monitor your results by opening the campaign report. Pay attention to metrics like opens, clicks, and unsubscribes, and use that data to improve your future email campaigns.